Okurigira Lawrence umuco w'ekigombe kya Lions Club ubwo hata bariyoni bakozesa sente z'urukwika miliyoni imwe ya dola okwera abaturo muri Karamoja binenjara.
When that money goes into that foundation, it is collected from all over the world. And then we identify needs in the communities all over the world and we give that money in form of grants.
And other diseases that are incurable, the Lions Club comes to the person's rescue. If it is a disaster, they come to the rescue of an area. So you can see that the Lions Club is really humanitarian.
Ebyona bigamburwa babiri nibatora n'abebembezi basya ahabwa Lions Club muri Kamwenje.
And our club bank account currently is in a good standing with 7.5 million, which is available now.
Aba batorine nuwamanya Didas kandi ogwajiro mbigere bya Mugume Ronald.
That all the targets and the work plans and the strategic plans we have set, we are going to steer them up and further more to serve community as it is that we are called to serve.
You are in charge of all communications, all records and communication. You are a member of the district and the advisory team.
Aba Lions Club baba babiri mbargo mu districts Nkibanda, Kasese, Mbara hamwe n'ahandi. Amakoraga gashakwa Anthony Atwine.